Hey guys, I'm back with January's Gacha Gacha by Japan Crate. Last month they did a new thing where instead of getting the usual 6 gachapon each month, they now have increased it to, is it between 6 and 9 I think it is? I'll just double check. Oh sorry, 8 and 10, I went far out. So you don't get the normal leaflet now, you just get a bit of card explaining what they're doing. Obviously with the Sugoi 3 code as normal for Sugoi Mart. I'll show that off in case anybody want to use that. And this month I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 9 again. I've got 9 in December as well. Alright, let's have a look. First off we've got, got another one of these keychains. I've had one of these before. They're the banana animals. I got a penguin this time. Last time I got I think it was a dolphin. But he was a slightly different, so there is a dolphin. Where is he? There. You can see that it's yellow on yellow, very bright. But it was a slightly different shape to that one. You've got a seal, and I do like that one. I thought that was just a normal banana, but it's actually an octopus. That's actually really cool. Yeah, I like that, it's cute. Another one to go on my tree of keychains I've got up on the top shelf. Let's do his little one. I always have trouble opening these ones. Oh, it's a I can't think of the name. Sanrio, that's it. Little collection of Sanrio characters. Oh, he's sealed. Oh, there we go, he's out. And I've got a little, I can't remember his name. Pom Pom Pudding or something like that. Very cute. What have we got next? A little cuddly toy. Little dog. Oh, that's cute. It's even got little beanies in it. Like the Beanie Babies. He's cute. They've got 5 different ones. Little doggos. He's very cute. I like him. Number 4. I would not put this tissue paper in here. It's annoying. I'd rather have the tissue paper over polystyrene though. That's really horrible stuff to get rid of. Oh, we've got mushroom. This looks a bit like a slug mushroom. I'm sure he's a fun guy though. He's got lots of different ones. I do like that one at the end there, multi-coloured one. Psychedelic one. Whoops. Cool. Unusual, but cool. Totally useless as well, but hey ho. Number 5. Ow. Ooh, we've got a Pokemon. Ah, I think it's a cable bitery thing. Yeah, it's a cable biter. And I have a Squirtle. So I've got the 2 bits to put around the cable. Yeah, I don't have a cable laying around somewhere to hand. Should be on this way. Well, bear with me a minute, I will find a cable. There we go. No, that's my earphones. I know I've got one over it. It's the one I use for the laptop. There it is. the normal one I use for the laptop. So how did it go around? It did show. So just put the bits over. Just before. I think I've chose a slightly too fat a cable. This is a braided one. They're always fatter than a normal one. Oh no, might be alright. Maybe I'll get it off again. I don't want to keep it on this cable. No, it is a little bit. It's a little bit too fat, but we'll get the general idea once I put Squirtle on. There we go. He sort of just chills like that. Obviously that'll be together, but braided cables doesn't work for. But I do have a completely flat cable on my phone plugged in, so I shall pop it on that, I think. Oh dear, I'm making a big mess now. Ugh. Number 6. Where are we? This has got a Dragon Ball Z look about him. Yeah, Dragon Ball Z. And lots of different guys on there. Oh, I see, he's got like a little stand. Oh. So much rubbish everywhere now. There we go. Looks a bit like a bad guy. I don't know who he is. There is some... I don't know if you guys can see that on there. I've got a weird reflection I've just noticed on my screen. I don't know where that's coming from. Anybody can read Japanese. That's what it says. I think there's one of the lights behind me. Never mind. I'll be all sparkly for this video. 3 left. 2 after this one. My Hero Academia. See that on the top there. I'm glad they sort of put some English translations at the top. Because now they don't put the little, what is called cheat sheet in. I haven't got a clue on someone. Right. So that goes like that. And this sticks in her back. There we go. I don't know who she is, but she's from My Hero Academia. That's about the extent of knowledge I have on that one. Number 8. Or is this one of those like fake game cartridges? I think it is. A little fake game cartridge in a little box I have. I'll turn it right around. Super Xavius, I think it says. I think it's an S at the end. I'll try and debate whether it's an S or an R. Yeah, got a little mini box. I'm guessing you can you open it without... Oh, you can open it without destroying it. I was worried about one of those ones if you like pull it or rip it. Oh, it's a pin badge. It's got a little... Didn't notice that. Well, that's really cool. I like that. That's really clever. I was not expecting it to be a pin badge. Does it actually... It says it right up there. Namco Museum Cassette Pins Collection. If I'd read that in the first place, I would have known. It is in sport writing though, that's my excuse. And last but not least, the big one. Where are we? Oh, I've got little pouches on description in this one. Another pink leaflet. Yep. I was going to say, I think it's Sailor Moon, and it is, because it says up there. You can see them. You've got a little kitty cat one there. Kitty, and the wand. A couple of kitty cats. One with a big star of an eyeball on it. And another one with like the moon design. And I think I have the... Oh, sorry, it's not an eyeball, it's a gem. There's like an eyeball in the pink and white photo. But now I can see the coloured version. It's a bit more obvious. Another little all round one. Little like coin purse. Put your makeup in it if you wear it. I don't. I like that. But yeah, that is all of January's Gacha Gacha crate. I'm hoping now, Christmas, New Year and everything is all over with, that the post is a bit more sort of on time for this. And I know they were having some issues. I think there was some sort of strike as well in Japan for their posting. Because this actually did turn up on the, I think, the 29th of January. So it actually turned up in January. So I was quite happy about that. But I've only just got round to sorting it out. But anyway, favourites for this month. I'll have these two, I think. I'll have me Squirtle cable biter and the little doggy. Because that I will actually use. He's cute. And him, I might try and sort of work out somehow to fix him on my curtain. Maybe put a little tie around him and string him up like that or something. Make it look like I'm not trying to strangle him. But thank you very much for watching. As always, in the descriptions how you can get one of these if you would like to get some nice fun gachapon each month. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And thank you very much. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye.